Hi everyone, today we are going to start with exponents, that is also known as indices. If you want to write a number multiplied many times, here we have taken a number a being multiplied 4 times. So we can write it, in spite of writing in this form, we can write it as a to the power 4, where a is known as base and 4 is known as exponent or power. Now we will go to laws of exponents. The first law, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, that can be written as a raised to the power m plus n. That means if bases are same, then we can add the powers. The powers can be any number as well as the bases. The second law, a raised to the power m division a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Means if the bases are same and there is a sign of division, then the powers are being subtracted. Here arises a question. If m is greater than n or n is greater than m. So let us take an example for it. If a raised to the power 5 minus 6, here we can see 6 is greater than 5. So 5 minus 6 will get a raised to the power minus 1. That can be written as 1 by a or 1 by a to the power 1. So here arises another law. If a raised to the power minus 1 means any number to the power minus 1, that can be written as 1 by a. Moving on to the next law. If any number to the power 0, that is equals to 1. If 1 to the power 0, that is also equals to 1, that can be 100 to the power 0 is equals to 1. That 100 can be any negative integer as well, like minus 2 minus 4 to the power 0 is also equals to 1. Now let us move to some other laws. Our next law is if x to the power m whole to the power n, that can be written as x to the power m into n. That means the powers can be multiplied. The next law, x, y, if we have two different bases with multiplication sign whole to the power m, that can be written as x to the power m, y to the power m. The bases can separately get their powers. Next law is 1 by x to the power minus m, that is equals to 1 by x whole to the power m, that is equals to x to the power m. That we have already seen that if a to the power minus 1, that can be written as 1 by a. Now let us move to solve few sums. The first one is 3 to the power 0 multiplication 4 raised to the power 3 multiplication 2 raised to the power minus 5. According to the law, 3 to the power 0 is equals to 1. Multiplication 4 can also be written as 2 into 2, that means 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. Multiplication 2 to the power minus 5. So 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 and be written as 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power minus 5. So 2 to the power 6, if bases are same, we can add the powers, we'll get 2 to the power 6 minus 5. So 2 to the power 1 is equals to 2. Move on to the next sum, that is 4 to the power minus 2 division 6 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus 4. We can write it as 4 to the power minus 2 by 6 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus 4 can be written as 1 by 3 to the power 4. Now we can write it as 4 to the power minus 2 as 1 by 4 to the power 2 and 1 by 6 to the power 2. So that can be written as 6 to the power 2 by 4 to the power 2 whole power 2 into 1 by 3 to the power 4. 6 can also be written as 3 into 2. So both will get their powers. So 3 into 2, 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 by 2 to the power 2 whole 2. That whole power 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 4. Multiplying the powers, we will get 3 to the power 2 into 2, 4 into 2 to the power 2 into 2, 4 by 2 to the power 2 to 4 into whole 2, that is 2 to the power 8 into 1 by 3 to the power 4. That is, we can write according to the laws now 3 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4. That is 3 to the power 4 minus 4 and 2 to the power 8 minus 4. That is 3 to the power 0 by 2 to the power 4. 3 to the power 0 is 1 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. To see more sums, keep watching the videos.